So I decided to get into some of these pre-sales because DEGEN, as you can see, DEGEN's been doing crazy profits. So it's good to take some profits, especially take out what you originally put in, because these are meme coins. Although DEGEN is now bigger than a meme coin. It's got layer 3, it's got the Ethereum co-founder talking about the project that it's linked with, because DEGEN is linked to having that social media, decentralized social media. So DEGEN is very promising, more than a meme coin, and it's doing really nice things. I took my profit and taken it to, we already know the Solana narrative. It's got loads of these meme coins going crazy, but you can get in on pre-sale. So you can connect your wallet to Pink Cell and get in. So one of the ones I'm going to do now is the Book of Peep, because the Book of Peep is made by the Wells of Peep and BOPE to create the ultimate Peep. So remember, these are risky, but if I'm taking profit to do it, then it's less risk, isn't it? So let's try. I haven't tried to use it yet, but let's connect the wallet. Soul Flare, it's X, connect wallet. I think I have to go through MetaMask maybe. Let's see, use web wallet. Yeah, connect. Yeah, so now I want to put in one soul. Buy with soul. And I'm doing this one because it's launching, approve, in, what was it, 5 hours. So that's why I want to try this one as well, see what happens. It says it's launching. Yeah, 5 hours left. Remember, follow, subscribe, check my Telegram group. There's all these other ones we've been talking about. And there's 2 others I'm going to do. So I'm going to do SLOTHANA, because SLOTHANA's been on a lot of news because it raised 4 million in like a couple of days. The launch date for SLOTHANA, we don't know yet, but that one is done. It's raised a lot. This one so far is raised. So this Book of Peep ones, they've raised 289,000. But SLOTHANA, they've raised 4 million. So that one's got a lot of buzz about it. We can see here while this one's waiting. Yeah, so SLOTHANA here, they've already made 4 million. Let me see, buy now, connect with Soulflare. Or you could, if you're unable to connect to your wallet, you can send Soul directly to here. So I can send Soul to there. Let's see. So I might send Soul directly. I haven't sent my Soul directly. Is my wallet connected actually? Yeah, it's on the software. So where was the one I was doing? Book of Mean, is this one done? So that one's still going through. I also was trying to do SOLALA. So this one, now on here, they don't have KYC. They've got the audit, but even the number one here, BOPE, like this one here, they've already had, this number one here has got KYC. BOPE, the number 2, the one I just done, didn't have KYC either, but it's got a lot of people. So this one I'm trying to go into, they've already met their soft cap, which means they have enough to do what they plan to do. Let me go back again. Yes, so I'm going to try this one. It's very new. There's only 81 contributors and there's 2 days left. Connect wallet. And what was my last one? Oh yeah, SLOTHANA. So that one's still going. This one's still going. Or is that one done? Still saying same buy. I'm not sure if that one went through. Let's see my MetaMask. If that one went through, confirmed, confirmed. We'll see if that went through. But that's basically how you do it. And then I need to do this SLOTHANA one. So if it's not letting me connect, I need to send to this address. I've never actually sent Sol. Let's see, Sol Flare. Let's see if there's a way of sending. So, but that's basically how we're going to do all of these. And then I'll be back to tell you how it does, or just follow the Telegram and have a great Easter. Now, where is the tab for my video? There we go.